Hello, my name is Andrew Parker, aka Africa Andrew, aka LaFella, aka Spider-Man, and I got a bunch of comments all of a sudden about watching Eric Chien, who won FISM, which is like the worldwide competition of magic. Basically, he just won it apparently and posted it 4 days ago, and I got a bunch of comments about it, so thank you for those who suggested it. Apparently it's gonna blow my mind, and every FISM act I've ever seen has. It's like the best of the best, so let's watch it. Okay. Not much so far. I can tell it's already gonna be cool though. It's gone. Whoa! Whoa! What the freak happened? What was that? What was that? If you hear rain, it's storming outside. I'm sorry. Okay, got some cards. Nine of spades. Five of hearts. Eight of spades. Ace of hearts. What is that? 10 of diamonds? I don't... Okay, blacks and reds. Can't see it that well. Something's happened, and I'm not sure what it was. That was cool. I know how that's done, but that was really cool. I like the line, how it's separating. Oh, and then he pulled it up, so now he can throw a red over there. Symbolism. And now it's gonna be blue, cause he... That's so cool! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that's so cool. There's a divide, people, blue and red. Nice. Oh no, don't do it to me. Don't. That was the cleanest. That's the cleanest color change I've ever seen. What is That's really cool. That's really cool. All these really cool magic routines, I just spit, have to cost a lot of money. I'm just saying, like, to buy all the props and gimmicks and stuff, it costs a lot of money. Excuse me? Excusez-moi? What the freak? What the freak was that? This guy's giving Chien a run for his money. Don't. Don't. No. Wait, go back. I freaking looked at the camera. What? Now he's gonna go back and the card's gonna reappear. I'm so heavily confused, it's hurting. I think it's just a magical ribbon, to be honest. I don't think he's doing any sleight of hand. I don't think that's part of it. He just found some magical, mythical ribbon that, like, Merlin blessed or something. Oh, we're doing coins now. We're doing coins now, people. He's turning the cards into coins. He's changed it from red to blue, to blue to frickin' coins. No way. No. What? Okay. Whoa, 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 what? Whoa. What? There's so many! I want one of the magical ribbons. They're all gonna be cards. It's back to black. His vest is black now. They're all gone. What is happening? Yeah, I'm confused too, bro. You hurt my brain. Yes, dude. Yes. Freaking yes. Yes to that whole thing. Does anyone know where I can get one of those magical ribbons? Because I'd like one. I don't have much to say. I think I said it all already during the reaction. I told you FISM was gonna be the best of the best. He started with something super visual, the boxes that contained what the ribbon, side of the ribbon was supposed to be. And then you think, oh, changing colors is super cool. And he did it a bunch, then he did it more and more visually, then he cut a card in half with the ribbon, and then he was like, now screw you, I'm gonna make it worse. I'm gonna take red and make it a coin. And then he started changing them to coins, dude. And the vest, he just threw that in there. What if he had like a vest that was half coin and half card for the last part? Absolutely incredible, absolutely amazing. So glad you guys suggested it. Thank you for suggesting it. So glad I watched it. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed my reaction. Let me know what you thought about it down below. And if you have any other suggestions of what I should watch, that was awesome. Thank you guys. Carpe diem, vita es bono. Go have a great day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.